What's up, Curiositers? So, I have this new idea for a series on this channel. After thinking about how people say that AI could solve all of the world's problems if they were connected to the internet, I figured, why can't I do that if I am connected to the internet? Obviously, my brain isn't connected to the internet. I can't just think of a Google search and already know the answer. I have to Google it through my smartphone or through the computer. But I feel like, why can't I do that? Why can't I simply solve the world problems as an AI can? I have access to the internet. What's stopping me from actually doing the research and work to actually solve the world problems? Nothing is stopping me. Why can't I do it? So I'm going to create a new series called How to Solve the World, and I'm going to do research and figure out theoretical ways to actually solve real life world problems. And I'm going to make videos about each problem individually, and it's going to be a series, a show, episodes and stuff, shows how shows work. And I'm going to probably make one video a month on the series, and then I guess, so I'll probably do like 2 videos a month. Every other video will be a video in the series on how to solve the world. And then the next video would just be in the same month. Why am I bad at this? So I think I'm gonna make about two videos a month randomly. I'm not gonna have a YouTube schedule, an upload schedule, whatever, because that's just too much pressure, I guess. I mean, the pressure is still there because I'm going to have my goal is to upload 2 videos a month. Maybe 3 or 4. That would be cool too, but right now, I want to make good content, so I'm gonna only do 2 videos a month. One video will be for the series, and then the other video will just be any video that I'm curious about making that I want to do. So yeah, whew, man, that was a lot. Okay, I think I said everything right. So, yeah, so I'm gonna make a video on how to solve the world problems once a month, basically, I guess. Maybe twice a month, I don't know. It depends how hard it is to solve some of the world's problems. I'm assuming it's gonna be extremely hard because it's the world's problems, they existed for centuries, decades, whatever is longer than that. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to solve all of them. So I really, you guys' support would mean a lot and help a lot. And leave a comment down below, which world problems would you like me to attempt to solve first. Now, I was originally going to start off with solving world hunger because people are always talking about that. That's a big thing. So I was gonna let's just do that. But then, after just Googling 2 things, which was why is world hunger a thing, and then how do you solve world hunger? Just Googling those 2 things, I learned that to solve world hunger, you pretty much have to solve everything else first. And then, one of the main things, 2 of the main things, oops, sorry, I hit the, I don't know why I said sorry, I hit the pop filter. Anyways, 2 of the things to solve the world hunger is, 2 things, sorry, oh my gosh, I'm stupid, I'm tired, sorry. Anyways, 2 of the things to solve world hunger, oh my gosh, what do I keep saying solve? 2 of the things that cause world hunger is natural disasters and droughts. So I need to figure out how to stop that from happening. And also, there is a lot of other things that cause world hunger, such as war and governments and lack of jobs and knowledge, that one meme, that's funny. Anyways, so people need schools and jobs and foods, farming, So I'm gonna figure out everything. So it's gonna take a long time to make these videos, and for each problem, it's gonna have its own video. So for one, I'm not gonna make a video on how to solve natural disasters. I'm gonna make a video individually for each special type of disaster, like one for earthquakes, one for tornadoes, one for floods, one for droughts. I'm not sure if droughts is a natural disaster, but anyways, you get the idea. So yeah, look forward to that. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Thank you, that means a lot. Did I already say leave a like? I don't know. Subscribe. It's gonna be intense. I'm gonna literally try to solve, not literally, theoretically solve the world's problems. So yeah, look forward to that. I'm kind of really nervous. I hope I don't mess up or like make people mad because I don't know. Anyways, so I'm just gonna end the video now. I don't know what else to say. I hope you guys enjoy the series. And yeah, this is just an introduction video to that. And kind of like a vlog. Alrighty then. And as always, stay curious.